As the late summer winds begin to shift, a silent revolution takes root across the expansive fields of Michigan, Florida, and California. This is more than just a season of crops. It is an epic journey where thousands of tons of produce will be harvested, reshaping our very perception of modern agriculture. In this pivotal moment, modern agriculture technology ceases to be an abstract concept, transforming into a vibrant, tangible force, orchestrating a harvest panorama of unprecedented scale. From colossal machinery gliding ceaselessly across the fields to the diligent hands of thousands of workers, each process is meticulously crafted with exquisite precision, operating like an uninterrupted industrial production line. Together, we will explore how agriculture engineering has shaped U.S. agriculture into an efficient system, where the synergy between science and humanity cultivates seasons of remarkable yields, ranking among the world's foremost. This is not merely a narrative of harvest achievements, but a comprehensive tableau reflecting the inherent strength, innovation, and relentless adaptability of modern U.S. agriculture. Amidst California's lush valleys, where endless raspberry fields stretch into the horizon, modern agriculture has transcended mere production. It has evolved into a meticulous art of creation, demanding absolute precision. As dawn breaks, hundreds of individuals commence their workday with gentle warm-up exercises, not only to protect their physical well-being, but also to maintain the flexibility essential for continuous labor. Each row of crimson raspberries, astonishingly straight, is not only carefully tended, but also rigorously monitored by advanced agricultural engineering systems. Here, sensors continuously collect data on humidity and light, transmitting it directly to a central control panel, allowing for the optimization of every growth factor. And when harvest season calls, millions of ripe raspberries are meticulously selected and hand-picked by seasoned hands. Immediately thereafter, they are swiftly packed on-site within mobile cold storage units, ensuring their pristine freshness. The application of green agriculture technology not only preserves the natural freshness of the produce, but also significantly minimizes the need for chemical preservatives. The entire operation unfolds as a seamless symphony, where human dexterity and machine power, traditional values, and modern progress coalesce to achieve optimal efficiency. From a panoramic perspective, the field resembles an incessant flow of energy and discipline. Here, modern agriculture technology does not merely replace human labor, it fundamentally elevates their capabilities, transforming each season into a vivid testament to the effective interplay between intellect, human effort, and scientific advancement in U.S. agriculture. Witnessing millions of raspberries harvested through such harmonious coordination between humans and technology, a pertinent question naturally arises. In the future, could the skilled hands of farmers on these fields be entirely superseded by machinery? California, accounting for over 90% of the national strawberry output, is not merely a growing region, but the very lifeline, the vital heart of the U.S. strawberry industry. Amidst endless strawberry fields, where the vibrant red of the fruit merges with the deep green of the leaves, a lively harvest scene unfolds. Here, agriculture has transcended traditional cultivation, transforming into a sophisticated agricultural engineering system, powered by the synergy of machine capacity, data analysis, and the precise labor skills of hundreds of thousands of people. The strawberry harvest process in California begins with the first rays of morning sun, as dew still clings to the leaves. Each worker, donning soft gloves and utilizing specialized baskets, carefully picks individual strawberries that have reached optimal ripeness. Crucially, they interact only with the stem, avoiding direct contact with the fruit itself to preserve the precious natural bloom, a biological shield against bacteria and a safeguard against bruising. Once a basket is full, the worker immediately transfers it to specialized transport vehicles, taking it directly to the packing area positioned at the field's edge, maintaining the continuity of the supply chain. At the packing facility, the assembly line operates ceaselessly. Fresh strawberries are passed through an advanced image sensor classification system, ensuring uniformity in color and size. Subsequently, they are carefully placed into environmentally friendly plastic trays covered with a thin protective film and rapidly transferred into mobile cold storage systems. Green agriculture technology plays a pivotal role in maintaining a stable temperature between 1 and 3 degrees Celsius, a critical factor in preserving the strawberries' complete freshness throughout the transportation process. In less than 24 hours from leaving the vine, these strawberry consignments are loaded onto clean energy trucks, commencing their journey to key distribution centers across the United States. Each strawberry represents the culmination of hundreds of quality control steps and the meticulous efforts of countless laboring hands. This is not merely the outcome of a single season, but a symbol of the capability of modern agriculture technology, where technology and humans collaboratively forge a fresh and efficient agricultural supply chain among the best globally. As dawn breaks over Florida's verdant zucchini fields, it signals the start of the harvest season. Hundreds of workers spread across the rows, with plastic baskets and specialized knives, carefully detach each zucchini that meets the standard. This manual harvesting method is a key factor in minimizing abrasions, preserving the natural glossy skin, and significantly extending the product's shelf life. Concurrently, in areas with high plant density, automated cutting systems operate in sync. These agricultural machinery systems are intricately programmed, capable of precisely identifying color and size, harvesting only those fruits that have reached optimal maturity. As zucchini enters the conveyor belt, workers perform rapid sorting, removing any misshapen or damaged fruits. All produce then undergoes a cleaning process, is dipped in a specialized biological solution, and immediately chilled on site, thanks to green agriculture technology systems, ensuring maximum freshness throughout transit. Not far away, fields of ripe, red tomatoes stretch like a vibrant carpet under the Florida summer sun. Here, the harvest process is clearly delineated. Humans meticulously pick premium tomatoes destined for fresh consumption, while specialized harvesting machinery systems handle tomatoes intended for industrial processing. Each tomato, once harvested, is conveyed to an automated sorting line. Here, image sensors and AI cameras precisely assess color, size, and firmness, then categorize them into specialized trays. Thanks to agricultural engineering, the entire process, from harvesting, cleaning, and packing to cold storage, is optimized to occur within a time frame of less than 24 hours. Thousands of tons of zucchini and tomatoes, transported by clean energy truck fleets, depart Florida, heading towards strategic distribution centers across the United States. Each carton is affixed with a traceability code, testifying to the high transparency and responsibility of U.S. agriculture. Here, the intersection of traditional manual cultivation and advanced technology does not create opposition, but rather coalesces into an efficient operational mechanism, symbolizing the superior capability of modern agriculture technology in creating value from land, people, and science. Witnessing thousands of workers and machines operating harmoniously in Florida's zucchini and tomato fields, a significant question arises. What has enabled U.S. agriculture to sustain such colossal yields year after year? And in future seasons, will the decisive role fall to humans or to technology? As the crisp autumn winds begin to sweep through the Midwest, Michigan's pear orchards enter their busiest season. In stark contrast to the mechanized scale of Florida or California, Michigan remains committed to traditional manual harvesting methods, a manifestation of profound respect for nature and a commitment to maintaining peak product quality. Farmers, clad in specialized protective gear and soft canvas bags across their chests, carefully pick each pear that has reached optimal ripeness. Every action is performed with the utmost meticulousness, aiming to avoid any damage to the fruit's delicate skin. After harvesting, pears are carefully placed into padded wooden crates, then transferred to the processing area by specialized vehicles. Here, agricultural engineers apply agricultural engineering technology to sort and assess ripeness, ensuring that every consignment strictly meets export standards. Advanced cold storage systems, integrated with green agriculture technology, are key to preserving the pear's full flavor and freshness for weeks, entirely without chemical dependence. Across Michigan, the pear harvest transcends the simple concept of work, becoming a continuous dialogue between tradition and innovation. Here, the dexterity of each hand, the value of each pear, and the efficiency of each machine are mutually supportive, creating a unique operational mechanism of modern agriculture technology, where the central position of humankind remains firmly affirmed even within an automated landscape. When you see the golden ripe pear orchards stretching across Michigan in the autumn, what do you think of first? A fragrant pie, a cool glass of juice, or a distinctive American pear and cheese salad? What dish do you most often use pears for in your kitchen? Please share with us in the comments section. In the northeastern United States, the grapevines in New York State are laden under the late summer sun, signaling a bountiful harvest. This is more than just an agricultural region. It is a space where cultivation meets artistry, as each grape cluster embodies a story of terroir, climate, and the finesse of human hands. With over 1,600 vineyards and more than 400 wineries, New York has solidified its position as the second largest center for wine and fruit juice production in the United States. The grape harvest season, always enveloped in an atmosphere of cheer, witnesses the coordination of multiple methods. Grape pickers perform their work with utmost caution, cutting each heavy cluster, avoiding damage to the skin to preserve its inherent natural sweetness. The grapes are then gently placed into small wooden baskets and immediately transferred to cold transport vehicles stationed right in the vineyard. For larger vineyards, agricultural technology is thoroughly applied through modern agricultural machinery systems, equipped with automated arms capable of gently vibrating the trellises, detaching ripe grapes without causing any harm to the vines. Upon arrival at the winery, the grape processing procedure is subjected to stringent control by advanced agricultural engineering technology. To maximize aroma and nutritional value, fresh grape clusters are pressed within less than 24 hours of being picked. Notably, some wineries even integrate solar energy to power their entire pressing and fermentation systems, a clear testament to the sustainable direction of green agriculture technology. In a space filled with the enticing aroma of wine and the soft golden light of late afternoon, one can easily perceive the seamless harmony between diligent labor, refined artistry, and the application of modern technology. New York is not merely a place for grape cultivation, but a symbol of modern agriculture, always appreciative of every drop of essence bestowed by nature, while simultaneously affirming its capacity for sustainable development. From the vibrant crimson raspberry fields in California to the plump red tomato patches in Florida, from Michigan's golden pear orchards to New York's sparkling vineyards, every region on the U.S. map contributes to shaping a vivid panoramic view of modern agriculture technology. This is not merely a narrative of yields or productivity, it is a journey of diligent collaboration by humans, from farmers, engineers, and workers to researchers, collectively building a sustainable and globally leading efficient agriculture. In an era where technology is reshaping every aspect of life, agricultural engineering has clearly demonstrated that science and nature can indeed coexist and be mutually supportive. Automated irrigation systems and intelligent packing lines not only enhance efficiency, but also optimize the role of humans, helping them work with greater precision, conserve resources more effectively, and, most importantly, create safe agricultural products for millions of American families. U.S. agriculture stands as a powerful testament. When human intellect, operational discipline, and technological advancement are seamlessly combined, nature responds with exceptional abundance. Each harvest season is not merely about collecting tons of produce, but also about affirming the relentless spirit of innovation and the strong will to thrive of the American farmer. If you are impressed by this scale and spirit, please like, share the video, and subscribe to the channel to continue our journey exploring the profound aspects of agricultural technology, where science and humans together forge the future. Thank you for watching.